Rolling.
Hi, this is Dan from Duramax Service Center. Today we're here to talk to you about some of the transfer cases in the 01 to 07 truck. There's a real common problem on a lot of these. They have what's called a pump rub through on the original housing here. You can actually see where we have a hole in the transfer case, and what that's caused by is the original pump housing actually fits inside these slots right here, and these grooves, or these tabs right here, actually shake back and forth from the friction of the pump driven off the rear output shaft, and will actually cause this aluminum piece to rub through this magnesium housing. So there's a couple fixes here. What we've been doing on this one, because the hole was so big, we actually replace it with an aluminum housing. And with the aluminum housing and this being aluminum, they no longer will wear together. They're the same type of material, so you won't have one that wears through the other. That's the way we fix them if they have the hole in them. If it doesn't have a hole all the way through it, but it is starting to get a pump rub, we can actually use this pump rub kit, which has bigger tabs on it. It's still aluminum, but with the bigger tabs, it actually won't wear through and cause the small grooves in the housing.